Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to talk about how to generate high-quality images with AI. I will guide step to step. Keep watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's begin. Open any browser. Go to search bar and search this website. And click on the first link. After the website opened, click on the black button given below. After that, we are ready to generate images. Write here prompt about the image you want to generate. And click on the Generate button. Wow, finally our image is ready. It's very awesome. Okay, let's generate the next image. Wow, this is the perfect image. You can generate more images using this AI tool. If you want to download, click here and your image will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.